Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Antonia. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is slightly different as I take you through a me day vlog. I know I've been saying that a lot lately because I've been trying to branch out and show you guys different interests and hobbies that I do have. I know this channel looks like it's 100% Aritzia. However, if you do watch my vlogs or you follow me on Instagram _Hello Harley or TikTok at Hello Harley, then you guys know that my life is actually more accurately like 90% Harley and 10% food. Joking aside, I know you guys do enjoy those Aritzia videos and I am happy to make them for you. I know they're super helpful and you guys enjoy them a lot, but I do want to show you guys different aspects of my life, which is why I feel like I have a lot more like creative freedom on Instagram and TikTok. But recently I've decided to have a little bit of a change where I put myself first. So I started seeing a therapist through BetterHelp for about like over 3 months now, and I have to say I really thoroughly enjoy it. And that brings us to today's sponsor, BetterHelp. It couldn't be a more perfect match for today's video. I feel like mental health is super stigmatized and there's also like negative connotations about it. Growing up in an Asian household, mental health and feelings were really pushed aside. We didn't really talk about them, but because I grew up in Canada and I am westernized, I feel like there's an importance to kind of merge the two cultures together. And it's really important for me to have a professional outside view that is not biased. So I decided to start with BetterHelp because it was just so easy to use. BetterHelp offers customized online therapy that includes video, phone, and even live chat with your therapist. BetterHelp is more affordable than traditional offline therapy, and you can apply for financial aid during the sign up. There is a broad range of expertise in BetterHelp's 20,000 plus therapist network that you might not be able to access in your local area. You just fill out the questionnaire to help access your specific needs, and then you get matched with a therapist in under 48 hours. Then you schedule secure video and phone sessions, plus you can exchange unlimited messages and everything you share is completely confidential. I personally asked for a female person of color therapist because I wanted someone that had a better understanding of my life experiences, and I feel like BetterHelp's matching questionnaire really hit the nail on the head because I couldn't be more happy with my therapist and I really thoroughly enjoy our sessions together. If you don't mesh well with the therapist that they initially match you with, you can request a new therapist at any time at no extra cost. If you or anyone you know is struggling, please share BetterHelp with them. I have a link for 10% off your first month. I will link it down below. And thank you again, BetterHelp, for being today's sponsor. A lot of times I think these me day vlogs are like slapping on a face mask, running a bubble bath, and then watching Netflix, and that's their like me time. And honestly, there is nothing wrong with doing stuff like that. I do that stuff all the time as well. However, I am trying to make permanent changes in my life. So the first change that I have made is actually creating a workout regime. I am not an athletic person. I don't like to work out, but I know it's good for my body to move. I know it's good for my body to sweat. So I am blessed that my friend Alex actually helped me create this regime back in March. I had a little bit of a struggle. I was like really into it for a while, enjoying it. Then I kind of got sick when I went to Vancouver, came back, and then I was just not working out again. But recently, the last like 2 months or so, I have been working out pretty regularly. I don't really miss a day. I think the main difficulty that I have with working out is I feel guilty if I don't do it. So I have been doing it in the morning, getting it out of the way, and that way I have it done, and for the rest of the day I can just enjoy my day. I'm still not a person, I have to admit, that enjoys working out, but I know I need to do it, and I know I need to sweat. I know I need to move for my body, and it's just a good thing to move, you know what I mean? The second change is that I have been taking time out of my day and meal prepping and basically prepping my produce. So not necessarily making meals. I do still do that, so I have meals readily available, and when I do know I'm a little bit busy, I can pull them out and then just reheat them. But I really enjoy cooking. If you watch my channel and watch my vlogs, then you guys know I like cooking. Also, if you like follow me on my other social networks, like, you know I love cooking. I love love, love, love baking. One of my love languages is basically feeding people, and that's such like a Asian parent thing to do. I have such a big passion for cooking and baking, and it is so therapeutic to me. I really enjoy meal prepping, really enjoy making big batches of things. So because I enjoy it as well, why not include that in my everyday life now? It's so much easier for me to like wash and cut my broccoli, set it aside in a container, properly store it, because then when I do go to make something, everything's already prepped and I don't have to go and prep it. I think it's a little bit of a nuisance sometimes, because then you're like, oh, I have so many vegetables and things to cut or marinate. But then at the end of the day, I so enjoy doing it, and I so appreciate myself in the future for doing it, because everything is done. So that way I'm eating a well-balanced, nutritious meal. That way I'm not going out to eat all the time. Not to say I don't go out to eat anymore. I still do, obviously, but I am making it a priority to really eat more well-balanced meals at home. The third thing that I have integrated into my life is writing down my different ideas for YouTube and goals in general. I used to just have these like thoughts in my head and I just would never write them down. After speaking to my therapist, Rhonda, she said just to write them down. And I've had trouble like trying to write down like different YouTube ideas and executing those ideas for my YouTube channel as well, or like Instagram and TikTok. But I have found that writing them down, it kind of like reminds me to do them. So I have been regularly doing that just to set goals for myself, just to remember different ideas. And that way for the future of this channel, I can also show you guys those like different interests, hobbies, videos as well. I'm just a person that just like is pretty chaotic. Like I always have like random thoughts that I don't write down. So with writing down the goals and my thoughts, it has been really helpful. And the last change that I have done is really prioritizing family. I feel like in life we're very go, 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 and we kind of like forget to do things, but I have been prioritizing family, and I'm really, really lucky and blessed that my friends and family, for the most part, they accept my furry family members too. So of course I prioritize Harley coming with me. I try to give him experiences as well, because I don't want him to be home when I'm out like hanging out with someone. So a lot of times I prioritize, and I hope that we can do things with my friends and family that also include my furry friend. One of my friends actually got a puppy recently, so we've been hanging out a lot with Sandwich, the puppy. If you followed me on Instagram, then you would have met her already, but I've been really enjoying doing that. These are just all things that I'm integrating in my life that are all for me. So I know this was different content, but I really thank you guys for watching all the way through. Once again, thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!